Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know that you need to engage your staff more effectively, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around until the end of the video and you'll see how you can get 100 more tips that you can start to use immediately. Today's tip: treat employees fairly. Remember, fair doesn't always mean equal, but feelings of unfairness lead to lost productivity, disgruntled workers, and a lack of trust, resulting in high turnover and low morale. Treating your employees in a fair manner means that you take the time to get to know them, that you understand their specific circumstances. If you have a staff member going through a tough time, it's highly likely that their performance may suffer a bit. Work with them through their difficult circumstances, and you'll create a much more loyal employee. If your managers are lacking the skills necessary to appropriately manage, motivate, and discipline their workers, sending them for a day of training may do wonders for them. An off-site seminar where they can learn from other newer managers may be just what they need to take their skills to the next level. When you treat your employees fairly, you not only keep yourself out of legal hot water, but you also create a more engaged workforce. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.